Hello friends! In today's video we will talk about gold in jewelry. We will learn how to test gold and how to calculate the scrap value to know what your gold jewelry is really worth. So let's start. But before we start, we have to understand what is gold. Gold is a precious metal known for its lustrous yellow color, rarity and malleability. Gold is found in nature as nuggets or grains in rocks or riverbeds, but also extracted from ores through mining processes. In its pure form, gold is soft and dense, and it doesn't tarnish or corrode. It's an excellent conductor of electricity and is often used in electronics. Gold is also a popular choice for making coins, medals, and most notably, jewelry due to its beauty and resistance to tarnish. Now let's go back to practice and we will find out what's carat and why there are different carats of gold. Carat or carat is a unit of measurement used to express the purity of gold in particular piece of jewelry or gold item. The carat system is represented by the abbreviation K or KT. Pure gold is designated as 24 carats, meaning it is 24 parts gold and has no other metal mixed with it. However, there are different carats. The reason there are different carats of gold is that pure gold, while beautiful and highly malleable, is too soft for practical use in jewelry and other items. So, to enhance its durability and hardness, gold is often alloyed with other metals, creating different carats with varying gold content. Here is the breakdown of commonly used gold carats. 24 karat gold, pure gold with no other metal mixed in. 22 karat gold is composed of 22 parts gold and 2 parts other metal, usually copper or silver. It's commonly used in traditional and cultural jewelry, and it's very often used in Indian jewelry. Also, there is 21 karat gold, which is very popular in Middle East. The next one is 18 karat gold, consists of 18 parts gold and 6 parts other metals. This carat is very popular choice for fine jewelry, especially in high-end brands like Cartier, Tiffany, Bulgari, and others. 14 karat gold contains 14 parts gold and 10 parts other metal. 9 karat gold is the lowest acceptable value for gold and it contains 37.5% gold. Now we will check. For finding out what carats you have on your jewelry, you will need more likely a loupe because the letters abbreviations are quite small on the jewelry. And in front of you I have collected many different gold pieces and all of them have different carats, so it means purity of gold in each piece might vary. So 24 carats gold you can find usually in gold bars or this kind of pieces. As you can see, it says AU, which means Arum 999.9. This gold has no mix, no other metal mixed in. Rarely you can find 24 karat yellow gold jewelry, but still you can. More likely you will find the Asian, particularly in Thailand, 23 karat yellow gold they use. 18 karat gold is very famous and it's used in high-end jewelry brands like this is 18 karat yellow gold. It's Cartier and Cartier, Tiffany, all these brands use 18 karat yellow gold. You would think why they don't use higher percentage of gold if they are at the high end. The reason is the same, because it's too soft and it will be more easy to break or damage. So to find the stamp we will need the loupe. This is very handy tool which you can always use for your own benefit to identify your gold jewelry. You can see Arum 750. Hallmarks can be very different for the rings, and as you can see there was 18 karat. 18 karat also is 750 is the marking. You can see 750. That means the ring is 18 karat yellow gold. Then we go to 14 karat gold. 14 karat gold contains 14 parts gold and 10 parts other metals. It's widely used in United States and provides a good balance between durability and cost. Here's another ring. It's designer ring and it has marking of designer CID and 14K mark. Here is the white gold and it says 14KT, if you can see, which means also 14 karat. 10 karat gold comprises 10 parts gold and 14 parts other metals. It's a minimum carat in the United States for an item to be legally labeled as gold. These earrings are 14 carats yellow gold. There is less luster, as you can see, and the gold is more dark. The higher the carat, the higher gold content, and typically the richer the color. However, higher carats also mean softer and more malleable gold. The choice of carat depends on factors such as the intended use of the item, desired durability, and personal preferences. This bracelet, for example, is also 18 karat yellow gold, but the structure of it is very soft. If you can see the mark, it says 18 karat. So what do these marks mean? Hallmarks on jewelry are symbols or marks stamped onto precious metal items, typically to denote the metal items, metal quality, authenticity, and origin. You can see it's mentioned UAE. It means United Arab Emirates. This is 18 karat yellow gold earrings. These marks are important for both consumers and authorities to verify the composition and legitimacy of the metal. It's important to note that hallmarking practices can vary within regions and countries. Consumers should be aware of the specific markings used in the region where jewelry is produced. Now let's talk about different gold colors, why they are different, how they are different, and why. Gold can exhibit various colors depending on the metals it's alloyed with. Pure gold is naturally yellow, but when other metals are added to create alloys, the resulting color can range from white to red and even green. This is white, this is yellow gold. The most common gold colors include yellow gold, as you can see, and you can see this is 20 karat, so the concentration of yellow is higher. This is 18 karat, it's less dense yellow. This is 14 karat yellow gold, and this is 10 yellow gold. White gold is made by alloying gold with white metals such as nickel, palladium, or zinc. It has silvery white appearance, like you can see here. This is 18 karat gold and this is 14 karat gold. White gold. To enhance the color, some manufacturers cover remaining yellow tint. White gold is often plated with a rhodium, a shiny and reflective metal. Don't mix it up with a silver. Silver mark, you will have 925 on the ring, or 800. This means it's not white gold, it just means it's silver. Also, I want to mention the platinum and palladium. This is example of platinum ring, and it has platinum as the main metal. This is different from gold, even though it's also precious metal. There is also rose gold, like this one from Cartier ring. This is 18 karat rose gold, and this is, for example, 21 karat rose gold. They are also called pink gold. Pink gold is created by adding copper to the gold alloy. The more copper, the stronger the red or pink tint. This is also example of rose gold jewelry. There is also green gold. I don't have it in my collection. So how you will test your gold, if it's fake or real? Testing the authenticity of gold is crucial, especially when you are purchasing jewelry. But as we were trying to understand what gold you have and what's the value of it, we need to know what's the purity of gold you have. So the first thing is hallmarks, as we have discussed. You can check it, the hallmarks on the pieces you own. Investigate and explore your piece in details, and you will find the marks. However, as you can see here, I have 18 karat yellow gold bracelet, and also I have here 14 karat yellow gold bracelet, and it's mentioned Italy. However, this is fake, this is not gold. Even though it has the marking, obviously it's a kind of scam. It has no percentage of gold inside. I have checked this on the X-ray. X-ray is another test which you can perform in the pawn shop. It's called XRF testing, XRF fluorescence testing, non-destructive method used by professional. It provides a detailed analysis of the metal composition and can detect the presence of other metals. Thus, you can see the bracelet we saw the mark in 14 karat gold. It doesn't have actually gold, it's just gold plated. It has 0.11 carats, which is fake. You can also test your gold with a nitric acid, but the carat stamp gives a reliable indication of the gold content in the jewelry. However, some of the pieces are not stamped. Let's say I have this ring, vintage ring, and it doesn't have a stamp, but this is gold ring. You might have the same piece. Or another example, this ring we bought in Thailand, and I checked it, it's 20 karat yellow gold. It was handmade, but there is no stamp. So what you can do in this situation, if you have this kind of pieces and you think it is gold, here we have the nitric acid, and it has testing acids for different carats. Here I have 18 karat testing. Also, you can find and buy 10 karat, 14 karat, 18. As you can see, I have 21, and I think you can find also 24 karat nitric acid tester. Also, you will need the stone. And now we will start with the testing. All you need to do is to scratch your gold jewelry on the stone. And then, in this case, I will use 18 karat acid to check if gold is real. It stays in the same place, it doesn't disappear. For example, I will show you 14 karat. No, this ring is 18. Let's try another 18. You can see it stays. However, if you will use, let's say 14 karat, more likely you will not see the same line. See, it disappears. So we used 18 karat acid, nitric acid, to test the gold. We tried ring with a 20 karat gold here, and the gold trade stays. Here we used also 18 karat yellow gold ring, and it stays. But here we used 14 karat, and it's removed. That's how you test your jewelry at home. Be careful with the acid because it's quite toxic and can have some injury on your hands. Better you use the gloves. And magnet. If your gold is not reacting on magnet, it's not 100% that this is not gold, but at least you have a chance, higher chance. Also pay attention on the markings like gold field, gold electroplated. I will put on the screen the names. Variations of gold filled pieces. You see it start becoming black, become tarnished because the plating is gone. So this bracelet doesn't have any gold scrap value unless it's sentimental value for you. So in order to calculate the exact price of your gold, you need a calculator and you need scales. Scales, you need jewelry scales to know exactly the weight of your ring. Consider the fact that when calculating the price or weight, you need to remove the value and the weight of the stones, because they will be deducted from the weight when you submit this as a scrap. And now, to calculate the value of your scrap, take the carats of your gold, let's say it's 14 karat gold, divided by 24. Or simply refer to the graph shown on the screen. The next thing, you have to check online what's the price for gold per gram or per ounce. Per gram is much easier for you to check online on the day you want to sell your gold. From the table we can see 1 gram of pure gold 24 karat is $65.16. Let's take this simple ring. It's 14 karat yellow gold with a weight 1.48 grams. As we know, the price for 1 gram of 24 karat gold is $65.16. 1 gram of 14 karat gold is 37.99 cents. To get this number, we multiply 0.583 by $65.16. And now for total value of ring, we just multiply its total weight 1.48 by the price per gram for 14 karat gold. So the total price is $56.22 for this ring. While going to the pawn shop, you might be offered much lower price. My advice, go to another pawn shop and bargain. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If yes, just put the like button, it will help our channel, and don't forget to subscribe. There will be many more interesting issues and topics discussed on gold. See you in the next video. Bye bye.